What is going on, everybody? James at Blue Eye Tech, and today I'll be unboxing the Echo Dot 4th generation. Now, some of you guys might be wondering, why am I unboxing a Echo Dot that came out about 2 years ago? That is because I will be using this Echo Dot along with the other one that I have in order to make a home theater system in my living room. So if you guys want to catch that video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you guys don't miss that video next week. But without further ado, let's jump into this box and see what we get with the Echo Dot. Now, one of the things I gotta say, I do actually like how Amazon does have this frustration-free packaging where you could just kind of rip that piece off and open it right up, which is great. Honestly, makes unboxing super simple. So as soon as we open up the box, the first thing you'll end up seeing is this kind of imagery over here, just letting you know you need the Alexa app as well as the Echo Dot, obviously, to set everything up. And it's pretty much simple setup process. And the very first thing we'll take out here is actually the Echo Dot itself. I got the black one here, as you can see, just because it's a nice sleek look, and I kind of like the look of the black model. And it's actually not too bad. So you actually get the power port right here where you'll be plugging it in, and you also have the ability to plug in some external speakers. So if you want to actually use something a little bit better than this and want to plug this into some external speakers to kind of get better audio, you guys actually have that option, which is nice. The LED light here is on the bottom, so pretty much when you use the wake word, it will basically light up blue down here, and it will light up just different colors depending on what notifications you get and just kind of things you're going to be getting with the Echo Dot. So let's set that over here. And the other thing you'll be getting in addition to that is paperwork that we pretty much never really use or never really even look at, and also the power cord. So that is pretty much it for this unboxing. It is probably one of the quickest and simplest unboxings I've done. You just get the 15-watt power adapter here plus the Echo Dot. If you guys don't want to miss the video coming up next week where I'll be connecting this along with the other Echo Dot that I have to my Fire TV Cube, definitely hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you guys don't miss that video. And as always, it's been James at Blue Eye Tech. I'll catch you guys next time. Have a good one.